How to fix PayPal limited account. Here's what you want to do. First, you will sign into your PayPal account and you want to click on help here at the top. Once you are taken to the help center, you will search here for limited, and I'm going to explain what we have to do. Click on the first article, why is my PayPal account limited? Now this is going to show us a bunch of information such as things that we haven't verified, our ID, inactive accounts, unauthorized use, all of the reasons why your account might be limited. And it's going to show us this as well. Go to the resolution center or click the bell icon at the top of the dashboard for more info. So it's going to tell you what steps you need to take by clicking on resolution center here. If you need to provide ID or anything like that, you will be able to find it in this section here. If it still doesn't work, then you want to scroll down until you see any article here, or actually we're going to click on help again. And right here, you want to scroll down until you see message center. So you will click on message center. And here you can begin a message with the support. So you will say something like, my PayPal account is limited and I would like to learn how to unlimit it once again. If you need any information from me, please tell me, something along those lines. And you will send this to PayPal, and PayPal is going to further assist you with this issue. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.